So one of the extensions that you can utilize is Google Hotels extension to find good deals on hotels. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto settings and then onto extensions, and you can see that Google Hotels is turned on by default right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, click on this right here, I got a sample prompt right here. Like for example, it says find hotels in Phuket for a week in March into this packing list. So if I were to go around and submit right here, then what happens is that it utilizes Google Hotels right here, just like this, and it gets actual information about this, as you can see right here, and you get the prices as well, as you can see right here, and these are from Google Hotels right here. But if I were to go around onto extensions and turn this off right here, then I don't get the information anymore. So let's just go around and say show me hotels in Phuket, let's say for example, and then I'm going to go around and press enter, and it says I can't search for hotels right now, but I can help you find some other things. That is because I've just turned off the extension right here. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the Google Hotels extension inside of Gemini to find good deals on hotels. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.